Today, 23rd of July 2021, Class 7th, Subject Social Science, Part Geographia, Chapter number 3, Our Changing Earth. Some important points to be discussed. Number 1, alluvial soil. Fertile soil is formed by river deposits. Number 2, delta, a triangular piece of land formed at the mouth of river. Number 3, weathering, breakdown and chemical disintegration of rocks into types, physical or chemical. Number 4, erosion. Erosion means wearing down of a higher place. Number 5, denudation, the process of weathering and erosion acting together. Number 6, agents of denudation. Number 1, river in wind, more performed in deserts. Glacier, mountains, glaciers, and continental glaciers. Number 7, glacier. A river of ice is called glacier. Number 8, gorge. A deep, narrow sides formed by river. Number 9, mushroom rocks. Umbrella shaped rocks found in deserts. और पॉइंट है इंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस, इंटरनल फोर्सेस, यानी जो ज़मीन के अंदर तब्दीली आती है फोर्स की वजह से, इसको इंडोजेनिक फोर्स कहते हैं. एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स एक्सटर्नल, यानी ज़मीन के बैरूनी सतह पर जो तब्दीली आती है, जो फोर्सेस हैं जिनकी वजह से ज़मीन के बैरूनी हिस्से को तब्दीली होती है. Geomorphology, study of land forms. Seismography, internal to river earthquake waves. Richter scale, invented in 1935, 0 to 9. Earthquake in Kashmir, 8th of October 2005. Siachen and Batro glaciers of J&K. Gangotri, a glacier source of Ganga river. Question है, why do the plates move? Answer, the energy system that causes plates to move is believed to rise from the radioactivity elements in the Earth's crust and the upper mantle. What is erosion? The washing away or the removal of the topsoil is known as soil erosion. Wind and water are powerful agents of soil erosion because of their ability to remove soil and transport it. How are flood plains formed? Flood plains are formed in the middle course of river. The gradient becomes almost flat, hence the downward erosion is reduced. More of the river's energy is directed from side by side. Question: what are sand dunes? A sand dune is a hill or mound of sand deposited by the wind. How are the beaches formed? Beaches are formed by the deposition of sand and other material like gravel and pebbles by river cuts across the narrow neck of land. When silt is deposited at the entrance to this backwater and below and bow lake is created. शुक्रिया अस्सलाम